I've been asked to say a little about the Green Group within HEIW. I'm probably the newest member, but I've realised already what a difference it's been making. I volunteered to get involved in the recent gardening spree with a bit of encouragement from a very persuasive Ben, and I can see what a difference the Green Group is making to just our own small environment at Ty Dysgu. So in a recent stint of Love Your Garden, a group of HEIW staff recently rose to the occasion, pardon the pun, to transform the grounds of Ty Dysgu. We purchased flowers and shrubs from a small local garden centre in Tatswell. It was great to support a local business. And we set about filling baskets and pots to go in front of our building. And they are flourishing, so we must have planted them the right way up.
Hi everyone, Sian here, member of the Green Group. I've been a member of the group for just over 12 months. So my main driver was about learning more around the topics, and also that fact that talking about green issues can often make people feel uncomfortable. Some of the statistics are, or most of the statistics are very shocking, very emotive, and have strong kind of values and ethics attached to them. So it's about, it's been about challenging myself to feel uncomfortable and have those conversations and to understand it in relation to HEIW and work and what we can do here, as well as what I can do personally and what is happening wider in the world.
I joined the Green Group because it fits well with my role as Facilities Manager. I'm responsible for facilities-based projects and energy management at Ty Dysgu, so having a keen eye on how we can improve sustainability on site was a key driver for why I got involved. I've learnt so much through doing my own research and through going on carbon literacy training courses. This has enabled me to contribute to the development of the HEIW strategy and make positive sustainable changes at home as well.
Being part of the Green Group for me is about having time and space to get to know other people that you work with, but not talking about work, and you see them in a different light. You can pick up tips and hints about growing things, or if you don't know anything, there's usually somebody that will say, oh, I know how to do that, or I tried that. So it's a good way of just finding out about things and just sharing. And if there are people there who don't know something, then generally, you'll hear somebody try and help. So there's always something that you can get out of it. And it's great to have just that 10 minutes, 15 minutes space to switch off and forget about work, but still be here and be outside in the fresh air.
So I grew up on a farm in the countryside and have always put high value in trying to live sustainably and looking after the planet. And when I became a mum, that became even more forefront in my mind, because I'm conscious that it's not just the planet for me, it's the planet I'm leaving for my children and grandchildren, hopefully. So it had a massive impact on my personal life. And when I joined HEIW, it was so exciting to me that this corporation I was joining was invested in doing that too.
That's the most delicate planting I think I've ever seen. He just like that.
With his gloves on.
That's so funny.
The group is just, as I said, sociable, friendly, very can-do attitude. You can see that with the kind of planting and things, people get on mucking, and are easy to talk to. So it's been really nice to work with people that I wouldn't normally work with on a kind of day-to-day basis. So that's great. So I'd encourage anyone to kind of, if you have an interest or you want to find out more, to come along and get involved with the Green Group, either on an ad hoc or a more kind of consistent basis.
It's just important, and I think it gets swept under the rug, and there's so much greenwashing that happens. The fact that HEIW doesn't just say it wants to do things, it actually does the things. And I could see that that was what would happen with the Green Group as well. It wouldn't just say it was going to do these things, it would do them, and that we can have an impact. So yeah, that's why. And if anybody was interested in joining, I would say join, because it doesn't matter how small a contribution you're making, you're still making a contribution.
The group is always open to new ideas and suggestions, and I'm sure many of you already believe that we need to do more to protect our planets. So why not get involved by joining the Green Group? And it links in so nicely with the Health and Wellbeing Group. And we all know that good health and well-being are essential to a happy life. So think about joining the Green Group, or just drop some ideas to a member of the group. You can be involved as much or as little as you want.
Yeah, come and join us. It'd be lovely to see you. Thanks all.